2026, speed is everything, and execution is the new superpower. Companies are launching AI tools, global campaigns, digital products, and business transformations faster than ever. But even the best ideas fail without someone driving them forward. And that's where project management steps in. The high impact role that keeps the teams aligned, deadlines alive, budgets under control, and chaos from taking over. In a world where businesses move at lightning speed, project managers are the people turning pressure into progress and ideas into results. That is why project management has become such an important career skill. PMI reports that the world may need up to 30 million more project professionals by 2035, and the US Bureau of Labor Statistics also projects faster than average growth for project management. On top of that, PMI salary survey shows that PMP certified professionals report higher median salaries than non-certified professionals across multiple countries. So when we talk about project management professional certifications, we are talking about learning how to plan and work better, manage teams better, reduce risks, communicate clearly, and deliver real outcomes. And if you're a fresher, team lead, a business analyst, IT professional, marketer, entrepreneur, or someone planning to move into project management, these free Simplilearn courses can be a solid place to start. Coming in at number 5, we have Introduction to PMI RMP. So this course is a great pick for anyone who wants to understand risk management in projects, because let's be honest, most projects don't fail because people do not work hard. They fail because risks are ignored until it's too late. The course helps you understand risk management fundamentals, risk identification, risk assessment, risk analysis, monitoring, and control. It's a beginner-friendly course and it comes with 1 hour of self-paced video lessons and includes a completion certificate. So this is useful for project managers, business analysts, project coordinators, quality assurance managers, and risk analysts. So if you want to understand how to identify possible problems before they become a major issue, this course is a smart starting point. And if you're interested in this course, I leave the link in the description box. So now that we know this, let's move on to the next course. Coming at number 4, we have the Introduction to PMI ACP. So this course is for anyone who wants to understand agile project management. And agile is important because many teams today do not work on one fixed plan from start to finish. They work in changing environments where requirements shift, feedback comes in, and teams need to adapt quickly. So this free PMI ACP training covers agile principles, agile mindset, adaptive planning, stakeholder engagement, agile leadership, team building, and problem solving. It has a 4.7 ratings and around 2,648 learners enrolled and 3 hours of self-paced lessons. This also comes with a completion certificate. And it's especially useful for IT professionals, project managers, software developers, and project executives who want to start understanding agile ways of working. So if you're interested in this course, I leave the link in the description box. Now that we know this, let's move on to the third course. So coming in at number 3, we have Introduction to Prince2. So this one is useful if you want to understand a more structured way of managing projects. So Prince2 stands for Projects in a Controlled Environment, and the idea is simple. Instead of managing a project randomly, you follow a clear method with defined roles, stages, controls, and responsibilities. So this course covers Prince2 principles, themes, processes, project planning, project control, risk management, and Prince2 tools and techniques. So this has 4.6 ratings and around 3,897 learners enrolled, 2 hours of self-paced lessons, and completion certificates. So this is a good choice for project managers, business analysts, project coordinators, quality assurance managers, and risk analysts who want to understand how structured project delivery works. So if you're interested in this course, I will leave the link in the description box below. So now that we know this, let's move on to the next one. Coming in at number 2, we have Project Management 101. So this is one of the best starting points for complete beginners. Before jumping into certifications, tools, frameworks, and advanced methods, you need to understand what project management actually means. This course explains the basics in a simple way: what project management is, the role of a project manager, the scope of project management, key focus areas, and the difference between projects and programs. So this has 4.6 ratings and over 82,000 learners enrolled, 2 hours of self-paced lessons, and a completion certificate. And this is useful for aspiring project coordinators, team leads, business analysts, entrepreneurs, students, career changers, freelancers, IT professionals, and anyone who wants to organize work better. So if someone is completely new to project management, this is the course I would suggest they start with. So if you're interested in this course, I'll leave the link in the description below. Now that we know this, let's move on to the top course. And coming in at number 1, we have the PMP Basics. So this is the strongest course for this topic because it directly connects with the PMP journey. So PMP is widely seen as one of the most recognized certifications in project management, and this course gives learners a beginner-friendly foundation before they go in deeper. So it has a 4.6 rating and over 98,000 learners enrolled, 9 hours of self-paced learning lessons, 90 days of access, and a completion certificate. The course covers project planning, time management, cost management, quality management, communication, risk, stakeholder management, integration and value management, agile management, Trello, project management tools, and even project manager interview questions. So this is useful for freshers, aspiring project managers, marketing professionals, agile scrum professionals, team leaders, business analysts, IT professionals, operation managers, consultants, and entrepreneurs. So if someone wants to start the PMP journey without feeling overwhelmed, PMP Basics is one of the best courses to begin with. So if you're interested in this course, I'll leave the link in the description below. So these were the 5 Simplilearn courses that can help you start or strengthen your project management journey. From basic project management to PMP, Prince 2, Agile, and Risk Management, the best part is that these courses are beginner-friendly, self-paced, and include a completion certificate. So learners can start building their foundation without any pressure. So whether you're trying to become a project manager, improve the way that you manage work, or prepare for a future certification path, this is a good place to start. Subscribe to Simplilearn for more such insights and check out our related videos.